Hi there, Rod here. I bought my first mechanical keyboard. It's the Royal Kludge keyboard. Let's open this. This is the Royal Kludge keyboard. The model is RKG68. It's tri-modal, meaning pwede siyang i-connect through wire, through Bluetooth, or through wireless connection by 2.4 GHz na may dongle. The keyboard is colored white. I pick the red switch option, and it has RGB lighting. The keyboard is also hot swappable, meaning pwede nyong palitan yung mga switches niya. On the box, we have the keyboard. We also have the extra 4 red switches. So if ever may masira, pwede nyong palitan. We also have the USB connector or the USB cable, USB-C for specific. We also have the switch and key caps puller. And this is the RKG68 mechanical keyboard. Kaya ito rin ang pinili kong keyboard kasi meron siyang USB port, dalawa. Okay, pag nakakabit yung USB-C, okay, pwede nyo siyang gamitin. This is the on and off switch, and then we have the Bluetooth and then the wireless mode. And then you have the dongle here. Let's try the RGB lights. Let's turn it on. Siyempre, sasabihin ko binili ko ito dahil hindi dahil sa ilaw. Pero sa totoo lang, nag-enjoy ako sa ilaw. O, diba nakaka-enjoy panoorin kahit paano. But of course, hindi makukumpleto ang keyboard demo nang walang sound test ng bawat click. Also, ang gusto ko dito sa RKG68, you can take out the frame. Okay, para pwedeng mas maganda ang effect ng RGB kapag binuksan mo to. Yan, maganda nga. Although this keyboard is originally designed for gamers, it is an excellent keyboard for regular users like me. If you like the videos I'm making, please do subscribe, and you have a good day. Bye.